I am here at the Home Depot. I didn't think that I was going to be coming to Home Depot. I was just going to go to my local person and just see if she had any herbs and things for me to buy. But now I am here at the Home Depot and I'm going to check out and see what they have and enjoy the day because it's so sunny. Tomorrow, which is going to be Friday, it's going to rain all day. So I might as well enjoy myself here today at Home Depot. So come with me for the walk, the sightseeing. I might purchase some things too. Okay, let's go. Oh, this is so pretty. Could you imagine having this in your garden, having a row of this? This is so beautiful. What is this? It's a shrub. It's called a Scotch broom moonlight. Sun. It loves sun. I could imagine. Very pretty. This is like gardener's heaven. Check out this Japanese maple, I think. And these. What's this? This is different. Bright shade azalea. I would have never named it correctly there. I know Rhoda when I see one. Here it is. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Look at all of the gardening things. This is Bonnie plants. Here's strawberries and chives. Broccoli. Strawberry plants. These look good. We have a lot of strawberry plants. They already have tomato plants and the peppers. Rosemary. Here's some more herbs. Italian, oregano, and some more mint. These just look like different pots for the patio. Hanging baskets. smelling gardenias, roses. So here are the fruit trees. They haven't leafed out yet, but they are beautiful. This must be a pear tree. Yes, it is. Semi-dwarf pear. Plum trees. Other fruit trees here. Remember the apple tree that I showed you last time? It's still here. Espalier. Last time I couldn't remember what the name of it was, but it's a espalier tree. Yes. Flowering apples. This must be a cherry. Oh, it's a crab apple. There used to be a crab apple in front of my house, but it got old and it died out. But it reminds me of it. I think it was the same color. So I ended up buying these 2 rose bushes, the hardy climbing rose and the floribunda yellow rose, because I really don't have a yellow rose bush in there, and they looked the most healthiest. And these were what was left back from before. I think I'm going to wait until I go to my local nursery, and then I'm going to buy from her. But I really like this golden euonymus, so I ended up stopping by to see it again before I leave HomeDepot. So I'm leaving HomeDepot now, and I really like these yellow euonymus, and I had a really good time. I ended up buying 2 rose bushes, and I'm going to put them in the garden. I think I'm going to wait for my local gardener, a person who gives me my starts, because hers are really fresh. And I think that they'll be much more healthier and probably more organic. But this is it. It was fun hanging out at HomeDepot. So this is the hardy climbing rose, and it's called C.I. America. Move this allium out of the way. So I planted it here because it will be next to this other rose bush, which is more of a maroony color, and this is more of a pink. So what I'm hoping is that they will blend together and fill this area, especially in June. Please subscribe to Catherine's Garden of LWS. Thank you. Bye.